Hello friends, if you want to start some DIY t-shirts printing business, what can we do? Today let me introduce our wholesale A22 pallet DTG printer TP600DS. This printer has two pieces 30 by 40 cm pen fonts, allow you to print two regular-sized t-shirts at the same time, effectively improve the work efficiency. You can also order an optional bigger frame, then you can print oversized t-shirts. Very functional machine. No matter the t-shirt is white or black, orange or pink, all can handle. It will be your wise partner to help you start DIY printing business. You may ask, will I only need one printer to start this business? This is one direct-to-government printer, but still needs three main steps to finish that printing.
Step 1. Pre-treat the t-shirts. Step 2. Printing. Step 3. Color fixation. And for the pre-treating, there are two solutions. You can use one electric spring gun to pre-treat the t-shirt manually, or use the iSpring pre-treating machine to pre-treat automatically. We recommend the iSpring pre-treating machine. It's very easy to operate and environment friendly. Besides, it can guarantee the equable pre-treating and also save the pre-treating liquid. And for the heat press, if needed, we can supply two. There are single plentiful ones, double plentiful ones. Please feel free to consult us for more details.
Then, as we can see, there are so many DTG printers in the market. Why should we choose SinoColor? How is the SinoColor printer built?
The machine is equipped with two pieces Epson i3200 print heads, powered by Epson Precision Core technology, 3,200 nozzles per hand, born for speed. For white t-shirt can print one t-shirt in 1 minute only. Besides, the one-time molding aluminum carriage beam, Germany Eagles jack chain, Taiwan high wing guide rail, Italian MACD belt is used, guarantee the stable performance and long lifetime use. Screw drive transmission and Y-axis guide rail are also equipped to ensure the high precision printing. On the machine, there is a well-designed touch screen. You can do basic setting quickly. This printer also has low ink alarm system to remind you to fill the ink in time. In order to avoid the problem caused by white ink precipitation, the machine is also equipped with white ink stirring and circulation system to guarantee the good condition of white ink. Besides, A white ink reusing system is also standard with the machine. It will collect and filter the ink from capping unit, then reuse it. Greatly reduce the waste of white ink, save much running cost. So, what's the profit you can get from DTG printing? As we can search on Amazon, for one DIY t-shirt is at the price of $20 to $30. To finish one printing, ink cost around $0.2 white t-shirt, colored t-shirt $0.6, quality t-shirt $3, labor $1.2, total $4.4, $4.8 for colored t-shirt. So as you can see, the profit we can get from one printing is about $15 to $25. So you can get your invest back after about 500 pieces printing only. It's a very good business.
Do you want to start DTG printing right now? Contact us to know more about this machine.